Surprising health benefits of castor oil. Do you know how castor oil can treat many health problems, including dandruff, hair fall, arthritis, constipation, and more? Well, today, we are going to talk about the benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is basically a vegetable oil, but it is also popularly known for its medicinal value. It overpowers other medicines when it comes to hair, skin, and other diseases. Castor oil has high antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, as well as antiviral properties, because of which it can cure many diseases. Alternatively, you will also find castor oil as a key ingredient in most cosmetics, massage oils, and some creams. Let's have a look at how castor oil benefits our bodies. Number 1. It boosts your immune system. Castor oil is considered a great source to increase our immunity levels. It increases the blood flow and produces lymphocytes. These lymphocytes help to fight against diseases and germs that attack our bodies. Castor oil helps produce antibodies and T11 cells that kill viruses, bacteria, and cancerous cells and protects our body from getting sick. Apart from this, it increases blood flow and lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system affects the circulatory and digestive systems of your body. It helps your body to detox, thus preventing many forthcoming diseases. Number 2. It heals the wounds faster. We already saw that castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties, so it is inevitable that it helps you recover from your wounds faster. Moreover, it also increases the blood flow that again helps in the healing of the wounds. Number 3. It makes the hair stronger. Another vital benefit of castor oil is that it makes your hair stronger, shinier, and thicker. Castor oil has also proved to remove dandruff from your hair. This oil reaches the roots of the hair and increases blood circulation. This results in the opening up of hair follicles. All you need to do is to massage your scalp with warm castor oil slightly. If needed, massage the oil in the roots and then cover your head with a cap. Hence, it works like a hair mask, and you can keep it for a night before washing your hair. Because castor oil has antifungal and antibacterial qualities, it is a proven medicine to remove dandruff from hair. Just ask your doctor. Number 4. It removes toxins from the body. The castor oil removes harmful toxins to increase the blood flow and functioning of your genital organs. It can help you overcome premenstrual syndrome, depression, mood swings, etc. Number 5. It helps to cure arthritis. Arthritis causes joint pains, and castor oil helps relieve it. You can apply this oil to the affected areas. After that, you must use a hot water pack. Do this for 2 weeks and observe the results. Studies have also indicated that they show improved results when patients with osteoarthritis are given castor oil tablets. These tablets have to be given 3 times a day for a minimum of 4 weeks. Castor oil is also used during massages because of its anti-inflammatory qualities. Number 6. It relieves constipation. We extract castor oil from castor beans. It is a rich source of ricinoleic acid fatty acid. This acid helps in the smooth contractions of the muscle cells in the intestine. This process, in turn, helps in the easy passage of stool. To get relief from constipation, you must take 1 teaspoon of castor oil. You can mix it along with orange or prune juice to omit its bitter taste. However, excessive intake of this oil can disturb your bowel muscles. So consult your doctor about the intake quantity of castor oil. Number 7. It induces labor. If you have crossed your date, you would like to jump to your period of labor. You might be ready to try every medicine, but what will help you the most is castor oil. The laxative property of castor oil helps to induce labor in pregnant ladies. It causes your intestines to contract and stimulates the bowels. All of this together results in the contraction of the uterus. Number 8. It treats plantar fasciitis. When the thick tissues at the bottom of your foot, the part that connects your heel to the toes, are inflamed, then it is known as plantar fasciitis. It has been found out that castor oil also helps in such conditions. Number 9. It is suitable for your skin. Your skin's texture depends on your hormones and immunity. If you are concerned about improving it, stop using the skincare products available in the market. They are filled with harmful chemicals. Instead, you can use castor oil as a natural remedy to get clear skin. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is also used to remove acne and sunburns. It can also treat irritated skin and increase elastin and collagen. Hence, you can say that castor oil can be your natural moisturizer. Number 10. It treats psoriasis and eczema. Researches have been conducted on animals to determine that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil can help you treat psoriasis and eczema. You can apply it in the affected areas before sleeping. Take a proper bath the following day when you wake up. By then, the castor oil would have already moisturized your skin. Apart from this, castor oil is also well known for treating candida, a fungal infection, melasma, brown patches on one's face, and ringworm. However, there are studies still being conducted on how effective it is for humans. You can consult your doctor about its usage. While the entire world has shifted towards Western medicine, knowing they are ultimately filled with harmful chemicals is crucial. While you try to cure your body with these medicines, you only invite some other problem because of the chemicals. Castor oil has its place in every household and is readily available in the shops. Still, people hardly realize its importance. When you pay thousands to doctors and medicines, the same problem can be treated with ease only with the help of easily available oil. If you have difficulties using castor oil, you can substitute it with coconut oil. Our ancestors have been using castor oil for centuries, and we could see how healthy they were. However, excessive of anything is harmful. We recommend you speak to your doctor before deciding the amount of castor oil to put into use. So, guys, I hope you got the answers to all your questions. If not, please drop your queries in below comment box. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you find this video helpful, please tap the like button and share with your friends and family. Thanks for being with us till the end.